Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm gonna talk about how to block unknown callers on iPhone 17. So let's get started. So what you need to do is, first of all, just go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down all the way down and go to apps. Now from here, either you have search here for phone app, or you can scroll down and navigate to it. Search here for phone app, tap on it. Now from here you have to scroll down here a little bit. Now over here under the screen unknown callers, you have to change this one to the silence. So it is already written there, call from unsaved numbers will be silenced and sent to voicemail and displayed on the recent list. That is what it's going to do. Whenever someone from unknown number is trying to call you, they will be directly going to the voicemail, and though your phone will be silenced as it is. So if you wanted to change it, you can keep this on never. So that is what you have to do. But in most cases, you can change it to silence if you wanted it. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.